everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another interesting store information. This time we are talking about Ikea. Yes, European-based store established in Sweden in 1943. It is one of the world's largest furniture retail shops. Ikea adopts majorly modern design for different sort of appliances and furniture. Ikea's interior design work associated with eco-friendly simplicity. Watching this video, you already have noticed how floor looks like, isn't it? Let's move towards its layout. It is designed in a one-way layout. This means when a customer enters the store, he or she has to walk through entire the store. Ikea calls floor layout as the long natural way. Though Ikea also provides shortcut exit, but it's not easy to find. Provides various products and services. We can find furniture and homeware, smart home, house and flats, furniture rentals and other stuff with creative ideas, new stuff to explore, colorful stuff, gift items, dolls, baby toys and tools to grow. Usually, Ikea follows the layout of having showrooms upstairs with marketplace and self-service warehouse downstairs. When you enter the store, it will lead you through furniture showroom leading to the market hall, which is for smaller items. Ikea also has its own restaurants and food market, which usually serves traditional Swedish food, mostly potatoes with Swedish meatballs. And one interesting thing, in many countries, it opens earlier in the morning compared to other shops and serve customers breakfast in cheaper price. around the shop, you can see jumbled bins with so much of stuff in great volume with low expensive goods, which is created purposefully as it is a sales technique adopted by Ikea. And Ikea calls it jumble bins as bulla bulla technique. This is an interesting store to visit. You can come, look at the products, feel and experience the product and assemble your own products. Ikea has been updating the new technology. Ikea has launched a new augmented reality application. This augmented reality application allows users to test Ikea's products in real time through a phone application. Let's see how it works. This makes us test before buying the furniture. We virtually can see how it looks in our home, room, walls, kitchen, lounge and gardens. By the way, I am Kibal. How are you going? If you are watching this video, you might want to pop in any comments, feedback you have. Please do comment, share and subscribe. Sayonara until next video.